cheesy. Mm. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a delicious cheesesteak empanada recipe. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? So here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have my empanada dough, jerk seasoning, fresh garlic, bell pepper, thyme, some cheddar cheese. I have my seasoning over here, Szechuan seasoning, steak seasoning, and I have some nice fresh shaved ribeye steak right here. Add your seasoning. Alright, after you add a little bit of oil to your pan, add your garlic. Bell pepper. Add your thyme. Add your jerk seasoning. It's already smelling good.
Alright, so right about now I'm just sauteing these ingredients, and once they become caramelized, then I'll add my steak right after.
Add your steak. Smelling so good. Just continue to stir your steak until it's fully cooked. And then we're going to start making our empanadas. So after cooking my steak for about 2 to 3 minutes, this is what it's looking like. After 2 to 3 minutes, it should be, fully cooked. All right, so we're just going to let our steak, cool down a little bit before we add it to our empanada dough. So just adding a little bit of cheese, about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna add our steak, about 2 tablespoons of steak. It's gonna be so good. It's already smelling good. Alright, so here's the fun part. So basically we're going to make sure everything is centered in the middle. And we're just going to fold it over. Press it down. Just going to add a little bit of water around the edges. This is going to act as a nice little glue to hold our dough together. Just like this. Then we're just going to grab a fork, dip it in the water, press it down. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add our empanadas. And we're going to fry these for about 3 minutes.
Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.